the Lord Bishop, another Bishop of the House of Clergy, the family of Lizzie, the various leaders, Deputy Governor, Senator John Ducho, members of Parliament, Gaini Mwega. I start to give apology of the women with Betty. She was supposed to come, but she is in another meeting, and therefore, please accept her apology. Secondly, on behalf of Murang'A County government and the Murang'A people, we are very saddened by the death of Lizzie. Because in Lizzie, we see the meaning of the people of Murang'A. Murang'A people are hardworking, in particular the women of Murang'A. You'd imagine a woman who goes to Nairobi, she conquers Nairobi, she creates wealth in Nairobi, she employs people in Nairobi. That is the real Murang'A woman. We, those of us who are left leading the people of Murang'A, we have a singular duty to make other young children, in particular girls, new Lizzies of the next generation. Tuina murigo wa guthondeka ciana ingĩ cigwane Lizzie. Atĩ mĩaka ĩgoka cigakoragwo na mathukuru manene ta Lizzie ĩrĩ harĩa Ruiru. Ciana atĩ mĩaka ĩgoka ciana ici igakoragwo cina mĩkawa ta ĩyo ĩthondeketwo nĩ mũirĩtu ũyũ gwĩtwo Lizzie. Ũyũ nĩyo legacy ithuĩ twĩ atongoria a Murang'A tũngĩhota gũtigĩra generation ĩno ĩroka. Njuge nĩ njũĩ na tũremwo to replace Liz as a family. But I can assure you, as Murang'A government, Liz will forever remain in our psyche as people of Murang'A. And we are doing our little attempt towards that journey of trying to contribute towards creating other successful business people in Murang'A of the next and present generation. I'm not so sure whether we shall be successful, but we are doing our little contribution towards that journey. And therefore, we pray that the family, as you look at your late mom, your late sister, Murang'A people are very proud of the heroine of the weekend. We love Liz for sure. Gwehoya girikia ndagiko imwe some announcement tondu ndigatanga just an announcement njire andu gatanga thibitari ya Kirwara turamihingurire na toyo tu turagire ku expand ona thibitari ya Kandara le turamakire wodigire ona Kenneth Matiba Hospital area ihari makeji itigiti hanini irike tuhere hari ya Keno ona Maragwa ona kudubita Murang'A litwami expand no nigetha tuhote kuwa na ugumania uri ukoragwo thibitari citu riu gutumaga ndawa ciage nigetha tuhote kuensure ati rimwe na uthi thibitari nginya tena kandi niturekire kindu gitagwo automation ati riu wathikirwara rukunindi gukuwa kindu gitagwo kandi urithiana gibandi ugathondekwo tondu turekire internet na computer na turekire software ya kuensure the patient journey in all our hospitals going forward will be paperless. Advantage of Woderi at the one Ogedi how Otuike na watu mo Kenyatta, wadi Kenyatta do kuli your medical record. Daktari alihinya computer akona miaka yote ukato wigode kwa case. Secondly, to ensure that there are gaps in the shiku. Bumwira eo chani they go take a little bit of time todo no mwakado me quality discretion into that system. Kobo gini Kirwara one washero wogo tugatero tiuru ni process hiyo ya automate iradi nabere in the entire Murang'A County. Secondly, Juge Hemod Maria doing a campaign Tomiragira, which were areas she kumwekarisha NHIF, where she anashia Nushu, na maundu macio mangĩ marĩa twamwĩragĩra nginya megiĩ community projects marĩa matũmĩte kũruta kĩrora twĩkĩre kambũro. Nĩ tũgũthiĩ harĩa na mbere kũgeria kũringana mandate ĩrĩa mwatũheire kũhingia maũndũ macio twamwĩrire. Thengiũ, Ngai amũkĩre.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We want to invite, is it Ethan Wanyoike, who's reading the Bible passage, to just come, and as he comes,